Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have TFUEL, THETA FUEL daily update. Before we begin though, join our monthly subscription guys to get easy profits, automated signal buying opportunities, and of course personal guidance and many more benefits. Only 50 people can join in guys. And of course you can join our Telegram group chat where we discuss more and more about the crypto space. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are, and let's see here some very important things going on for TFUEL guys and for Bitcoin. Right now we lost the support level, so I am going to delete this one right here and I am going to delete this price label at all. Now it is very likely to go to 37 cents or maybe a little less, and now that we lost the support level guys, I think we are going to retest the 35 cents. So eventually we go lower in the midterm than 35 cents. We have the 3.0 mainnet launch guys coming on 30 June, and of course this is something that can save us. However, due to the technical analysis, as I'm always saying guys, due to the technical analysis, I believe that we maybe can go even below 35 cents. Let's see now, these are our price targets right now, the lower support levels for the moment. We closed down, we lost our position here because guys, TFUEL was correcting against Bitcoin, alright? So therefore that's why we went down, while Matic, Polygon or other altcoins guys had a very significant strong support level, but if Bitcoin drops down more, they will lose their significant support levels as well. So it doesn't look good here for TFUEL in the 4-hour frame. Let's go in the MACD. For the MACD, if we lose this support level guys, we are going further down, and of course guys, MACD on the 4-hour frame doesn't look good. It's about to have lower lows and lower highs, because you know guys, my position on the 4-hour frame, what we are checking is if we are having higher lows and higher highs, rather than if we are having a bearish cross between the blue line and the signal line, or a bullish cross between the blue line and the signal line, and the blue line goes above the signal line. Let's go now to the 4-hour frame guys. On the common channel index and on the RSI, an oversold situation here for the common channel index, not an oversold situation here on the RSI. So therefore guys, we might be approaching the 37 cents here, and we might have a swing high. We will see about that though. Not a significant swing high in my opinion guys, and if you don't do swing trades, if you want to hold, just wait for a better price, right? So let's go now again to the common channel index. You can see we are in an oversold situation, extremely oversold situation in the 4-hour frame. Not the same for the RSI, but it is approaching an oversold situation. And of course, according to the SSL channel, the red line is above the green line. We don't have any buying opportunity for now. Let's go now to the daily frame guys, and you can see on the daily frame we are now approaching again guys the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. If I close the SSL hybrid, you will see we are now approaching the bottom line. On a normal market guys, this is totally a buying opportunity, right? This is a buying opportunity. However, what we want to see now is if we are in a normal market, because in an extremely bearish situation, in an extremely bearish scenario that Bitcoin guys crashes down, then TFUEL might crash down again. Let's go to the daily frame short guys, might crash down again and therefore go along the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. On an opposite scenario guys, when we are having an impulsive wave, we are going along the top line of the Bollinger Bands. Let's go now to see the RSI. The RSI on the daily frame can correct even more. The daily common channel index though is in an oversold situation, therefore we expect to see a swing high soon. I don't think that RSI will go down all the way to 30 before we have a higher high, because eventually I believe RSI will find like here a bottom, then we gonna have a swing high because of the commodity channel index. You can see the SSL hybrid. Of course, I won't open it right now, but even if I do, you will see we don't have a buying opportunity yet. We couldn't have a buying opportunity according to the SSL hybrid, right? Let's go to the MACD, our final indicator here. We are looking terrible bad guys from this bearish cross right here. It was over. Let's go now to TFUEL Bitcoin. You can see why we are correcting. We lost this support level, this major support level we want to hold. We went all the way down. We went down all the way down, and you can see that we lost some strong support levels, a bearish cross between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA. But as you know, the price action is first and then the EMAs follow, right? So eventually this cross here happened because of this price action before. But okay, if we see a cross, guys, if we see a bearish cross, it is usually a very bearish scenario, right? So eventually, guys, you can see we are finding resistance level in the 20-day exponential moving average right now. What we want to see is if we can go further above. We stand in an oversold situation, guys. What we want to see is we cannot perform Bitcoin for now, but we lost some significant, guys, support levels right here. So that's why I'm saying it is very, very possible, guys, to go even to 37 cents. Now we have one support level that we stand, this one right here, guys, this one right here, because you can see that previously it was a resistance level. So let's go now, guys, to the daily frame. On the daily frame, on the TFUEL Bitcoin chart, we went down from the 20-day EMA. This is a bearish scenario, guys. This is something that we don't want to see, a very bearish scenario here for the 20-day EMA, and now we are going all the way down, right? We want to see if we can eventually retest the 50-day EMA, and we want to see if we will have a bearish cross between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA, because if we have that, then it is very, very bearish. It is looking very, very bearish. You can see here we are approaching an oversold situation. We are not there yet for the commodity channel index. The RSI, of course, is at the middle between 30 and 70 are default settings for the RSI, and you can see that the MACD is looking awful, just like the TFUEL Tether USD. So we are going now to the support and the price analysis, guys, and the reason I don't have anything is to show you that what I am doing, starting from this top right here, ending up to this bottom. I wanted firstly to find major resistance levels, so that's why we went up to 49.50 cents, almost at the 50 cents, but we couldn't close there. We went to 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and now we are going all the way down, right? And what I would do to find major support levels, I would go from this low right here, guys, for more of a midterm support levels, this low up to this high right here on our previous high 9th June. And now you can see that we extended from this price line right here. I don't want to leave page, guys, from this price line right here, the 41 cents. And now that's what a macro support line is, the 35 cents. And that's why, guys, we just had the huge buying opportunity, a huge buying pressure, sorry, here, because it was our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, guys, support level. That's why we closed almost exactly upon here, guys. It was totally crazy. Upon the 35 cents, we found huge buying pressure. We had a swing high, but now we are going all the way down, because we will see Bitcoin is crashing all the way down. You can see we went down from 31,200, and now we are going down and further down. You know my price prediction already, guys. 26,000 Tether USDT, 26 to 27,000 Tether USDT is my price target for Bitcoin in the midterm. You already know that. The truth is, and the point is here, we want to ask ourselves, can we go there immediately before having any swing high? I believe not. However, we will see about that. I don't believe that we can go there so soon, guys, without having a significant swing high like this, for example, where we went down, and you can see that we went upwards again, right? So therefore, I do believe we might have a swing high. On the daily frame, we had the death cross. You can see that 200 EMA reached the 50-day EMA quite some few days ago, around 22nd June, guys, around there. And so right now on the daily frame, we are not so good. The only good part is that we are again on an oversold situation for Bitcoin, and therefore we are seeing a higher low in the commodity channel index, right? So let's see now the TFUEL. On the TFUEL, 35 cents is our price target, and of course the 37 cents around there, guys. The 37 cents is another very strong support level. You can see here multiple times In the past, we found resistance, support, resistance level on the 37 cents, right? So therefore, guys, it is very likely to go there before stopping or having a significant swing high or any swing high here, guys. Not a significant, of course, we might have just a small swing high. For Bitcoin, you can see we are going down further and furthermore on the 4-hour frame, and of course we want to see now where are we going to stop, right? We want to see where is this bottom going, because we had a very bearish candle on the daily frame. You saw before, guys, we had this bearish candle on the daily frame, so we knew that the next day won't be so good, right? We knew that the next day won't be so good. We approached the weekend also, so it is a little bit scary right now. Our next price targets, guys, I think it is the 37 cents before having a swing high to 41 cents, around there at 42 cents, because as you can see on the commodity channel index on the RSI, we are reapproaching the 30 for the RSI and the minus 100 for the commodity channel index. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.